everyone! I just came back from traveling with my parents, which was honestly such a precious time because my parents rarely get to go anywhere anymore. I'm the type of person who likes to put everything right where it belongs, right when I need to. And it really bothers me when things are out of place. As you can tell, I was really tired from my flight yesterday and pretty much just left everything where it was. As you can see, I did not make my bed this morning, even though I make my bed every single day. I didn't today because I knew I was going to wash my bed sheets and also my pillowcases, so that would have been a waste of time. When things are disorderly and out of place, I feel disorderly and out of place. I woke up this morning feeling like I had so much to catch up on, and I realized how much my surroundings affect my mood. I decided to thoroughly clean and reset my room so that I can stay focused and productive. Laundry is always the first thing I do when I'm cleaning because it takes the longest. At first, I was hesitant in doing another cleaning video because I feel like so many YouTubers who do this video have literally the perfect home. They have great natural lighting and the best home decor. I recently moved and I don't have my own laundry machine in my apartment, but thankfully, I have a coin laundry room. This laundry detergent is one of the best smelling detergents, but it's kind of expensive, so I only use it for my bedding and undergarments because it smells heavenly. Good music is always one of the first things I blast when I'm ready to clean. Today it's going to be the Jonas Brothers because I recently watched their Happiness Begins documentary on Amazon and then I bought concert tickets. I also like to use sprays that are made out of essential oils because I feel like that's much more natural. So the Myers lavender spray is one of my favorites. I also know that there are plenty of people who don't even have access to laundry and would do anything to have their own room or to have an apartment. It's crazy how easy it is to compare to people that seem to have more than us, but there's also always people who have less. So all in all, we need to consistently stay grateful for the life we have been given. Recently, I read a quote about how God offers abundant resources and opportunities to his people, but at the same time, not all of us have equal opportunity, as sad as it is, but that's part of living in a broken world. It depends on our family, what country we live in, and all of that. But ultimately, I believe that we can work wholeheartedly in everything and anything. I will not be washing my clothes today because my laundry bag is not full and that would be a waste of water, so I always like to wait until my bag is filled to the top. I think what I like most about cleaning is that you get to see how I really live and how I like to keep my surroundings. I always want to keep my YouTube channel authentic to who I am, and although sometimes it's hard not to look at the numbers or subscribers, I know that I am on the right path because I still am passionate about creating videos. I honestly don't enjoy cleaning that much because I would rather be cooking or watching a Netflix show, but I always feel amazing after I clean. I am just so happy with my surroundings. Everything smells good. I know that my room is spotless of dust and I like to disinfect everything as much as possible, and that is such a calming feeling. As I approach the new school year, I know I'm going to be extremely busy as I try to adjust to teaching a brand new grade level. If you didn't know already, I was a 5th grade teacher for 2 years and I am now going to be a 3rd grade teacher. New opportunity, big changes, and I know it's going to bring a lot of growth. Resetting my room and doing a nice deep clean will give me one less task to do before school starts. I also hope that watching my cleaning videos and my reset routine will encourage you to also clean your room or to go ahead and disinfect some things because it's good for you. Something else that I've noticed whenever I watch other YouTube videos is that some people will comment on people's voices. Some people have even commented on my voice and they've said really sweet things, but in other videos I've also seen people be really mean about my voice or someone else's voice or other YouTubers and their voices. And I just thought it was so interesting that people are hating on other people's voices because that's something that we just can't control. We're born with our voices, and I think for other people to feel like they can negatively comment on that is not a nice thing to do. I'm very thankful for my YouTube channel because I think I have some of the sweetest subscribers and you guys are honestly so supportive and so kind. And so I hope that we will continue to rise above that and that we will be a community of love and of grace and of truth and being nice. I also believe that small habits become your lifestyle, and so when we create the habit of cleaning or when we create the habit of putting things back where they belong, we'll continue to do that in various parts of our lives, whether that's finishing a task right on time, paying a bill early, or just doing things without rushing. I feel like cleaning can help us make those habits happen. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning and reset routine. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.